Hi, I'm Julian from Pizza is Lovely, and today I'm going to be making the king of flatbreads, the Paratha. To make the dough, add the sugar and salt into the flour and mix it together with a spoon. Add the plant milk into the water and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Whisk the mixture together. Make a well in the centre of the flour and add the wet into the dry. Using a spoon, bring all the ingredients together until it forms a dough. If your dough looks a little dry, add a tablespoon at a time of plant milk until it comes together into a slightly sticky dough. Once the dough starts to come together, use your hands to scrape down the sides of the bowl until it comes away clean. Form the dough roughly into a ball shape and cover with a clean tea cloth. Now rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the dough from the bowl, place it on your counter and divide it into 10 equal sized pieces. Shape each piece into a ball. Now it's time to shape our paratha. Start by lightly dusting your counter. Take a ball and use a rolling pin to roll out the dough nice and thin. And then, using the back of your hands, stretch it as thin as you can. A few small tears, it doesn't matter. Next, dip your fingers in a little vegetable oil, wipe it over the surface of the dough, and then with your other hand, lightly sprinkle it with flour. Starting at the side closest to you, gently pull the dough apart until it's under tension, and then fold it in a concertina pattern, like this, and then that, and then lightly press down. Repeat that until you reach the end of the dough. Now, starting at one side, slowly curl the dough with the laminated layers pointing up to make a snail shell shaped pattern until you reach the end, and then tuck the tail underneath and lightly squeeze it together to make a rose shape. Lightly dust a baking tray with flour and place each of the shaped parathas inside. We're going to be using the Ooni dual-sided grizzler pan. The flat side of this pan makes the ideal surface for cooking these breads. Aim for about 320 degrees Celsius. When the grizzler pan is up to temperature, it's time to start cooking our parathas. And starting at the parathas that you shaped first, place them on the counter. Use a rolling pin and plenty of flour to open the paratha up into as much of a circular shape as you can get. We're not aiming to get them quite as thin as we did when we were shaping them. And you can see the spiral shape in there. That's going to create our lovely flaky flatbreads. Take the grizzler out of the uni and place your flatbread right in the middle and back in the oven. Place the cooked flatbread onto a tea towel and rub the surface liberally with vegan butter.